Hi, this is Mr. Emmanuel. Thanks for tuning in. Today, we're going to talk about how to overcome your fear of speaking English. Okay, so have you ever felt nervous speaking English? Maybe you know the words in your head, but when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank. Guess what? You're not alone. Millions of learners of English feel the same way, and today, Mr. Emmanuel is going to give you 5 practical steps to overcome your fear of speaking English. Let's go. Okay, so the first one is change your mindset. Change your mindset. Okay, first, you have to see mistakes as normal and something that's not about failure. Mistakes actually mean progress. Okay, every time you make a mistake, you're one step closer to fluency. Okay, and believe in yourself. Remember that you're learning a new language or a foreign language. So because of this, you are very brave and courageous, and the mistakes you make, they're totally fine because you're learners of English. Some Asian learners, they are fear of making mistakes. I think this is the wrong mindset. Please change your mindset. You are a learner of English. Like when Mr. Emmanuel, when I was learning, I was like proud of my mistakes. I was kind of like proud of making mistakes because mistakes, they meant that I was improving, getting better. Okay, so please change your mindset. Number 2, you have to start small. Okay, start small. Okay, don't try to give a like TED talk on one day. Start small one, tiny ones. Okay, for instance, say one sentence in any places, like at a cafe, like I want to have a coffee, please, or greet your friend in English, like how's it going, man? How's it going? Okay, the small wins can build your confidence. And very soon your small sentences can grow into conversations. Okay. Number 3, record yourself. Okay. You can use your smartphone to record the voice on your phone and play it back. Okay. And you'll learn 2 things. Number 1, you actually sound better than you think. Okay. It gives you confidence. Number 2, it's like having your own personal coach, and you can hear how exactly the mistakes that you made and how you can improve it. Okay, so record yourself. Number 3, practice with real people. I think this is the most important because speaking English in your head, it doesn't really help you. You need real interaction with people. Okay, for instance, you can find a language partner, join an online group, or even practice with me in the comments below. Okay, you can talk to AI tools. Okay, and I personally recommend Toastmasters Club. Okay, you can find the information in my description box. Okay, Toastmasters Club, there are many Toastmasters clubs around the world, and there are so many in Asia, okay, in Taiwan too. Check my description box to find a link to many different Toastmasters Club. Toastmasters Club, every week they have a meeting, and you can go there, just like pay like 100 NT to enter and to join them. Okay, and you can listen to different people giving speeches, okay, during the meeting. Okay, and if you want to practice speaking, that's fine, because after the speech, usually people would talk in Toastmasters Club using English. Okay, so it's a great place for you to use your spoken English with real people. A lot of people use English there. Okay, Mr. Emmanuel went to many different Toastmasters clubs before, and I found them to be very useful. Okay, and you can also sign up to be the speaker in the Toastmasters club. Okay, it helps you to give speeches, to do public speaking in front of like 20 or 30 people. It's very interesting, very exciting, a very good place to practice your spoken English. I highly recommend it. Okay, and step 5. Step 5, visualization and breathing. Your brain freezes when you are nervous, so to fight that, try 2 things. Number 1, visualization. Before speaking, imagine that you will be successful and picture the conversations going smoothly. And number 2, breathing. Take 3 slow breaths before you talk. It calms your nerves instantly. Okay, so it helps you. Okay. And lastly, I will highly recommend you listen to more English. Okay, like Mr. Emmanuel talked about it in my other videos. I highly recommend you can use Audible, this app. Okay, Audible provides a lot of online books and in audio files, and you can choose the books that you like, and you can listen to the books, practice and learning about speaking and learning, practice your listening skills. Because in our TESOL theory, that listening and speaking skills are very highly related and connected. Okay, so you can find more information about Audible in my description box below. Try it, okay? I remember Audible also provide like 30-day free trial, and also during the 30-day free trial, you get to pick one free audio book for yourself. Okay, I think that's a bargain. That's wonderful. You can just try it for 30 days and for free. Also with one free audio book. Okay, so the link is also in my description box here. Okay, so here are the 5 steps. Okay, number 1, change your mindset. Mistakes is great. It means you're improving. Number 2, start small. Okay, find someone, someplace to use 1 sentence at a time. Number 3, record yourself. It's easy to find your mistakes and hear how fluent you are. Number 4, practice with real people. I highly recommend Toastmasters Club. Number 5, visualization and breathing. Okay, picture that your conversation goes smoothly and take 3 deep breaths before you start. Okay, and lastly, that I would suggest you listen to more English. Okay, no matter watching YouTube videos or listen to audiobooks using the app like Audible. Okay, so the fear of speaking English is not forever. You can actually break it step by step, conversation by conversation. So here is your challenge. Comment 1 sentence in English below. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just write something and let this be your first step today. If this helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and remember, you are braver than you think. Keep speaking and keep growing. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.